Hello everyone, welcome to this insane episode. It only gets wilder the longer you watch, so stick around. Drop a like to help the channel grow. And remember, I don't condone any of the actions you see. Enjoy.
Hey, what the wrong with you, man?
I'm at the gas pump, man.
Yeah, you ain't getting gas.
No
Move the goddamn out of the way when somebody pulls
Dude,
up
get
on
the out of my face right
you
now.
touch me, you
I'm
son
not
of
going you get the go back to your pump and pump your
Well, you mother need to get
dude, back off of me, dude. I'll stick you right in the goddamn face, bro. Get don't touch me, bro. All on camera, you idiot. You just assaulted me, you moron. Get back in your bro. Go back to your truck, old man. Knock you out, bro. If you weren't 100 years old, dude, I'd have your ass laid out on the ground. Get back to your shit, bro. Go back to your shit. Go back to your shit. Fucking moron.
So, yeah, man. What the fuck? Dude.
Biker was at high revs and let off the throttle way too quickly. Don't do this. It can get very messy very fast. This is why so many bikers avoid big group rides and meetups. Things spiral out of control way too quickly. Both bikers were fine, but seriously, don't do what that R6 rider.
Oh, still, stop. Hey! Hey! Gå, jongen! Ga naar voren, naar voren!
Volgens mij is er niks mis mee, maar links.
Zet me even standaard.
Another fairly serious situation that could have ended a lot worse.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What are you doing? What are you doing? It's a zebra!
You didn't see that I was in the middle.
No, you wasn't looking. You zebra crossing just there. What are you doing?
Why you didn't turn?
What is the matter with you? Why did you not look? You gotta look, look!
There's no argument. It's just in here.
Who was it wrong here? Again, share your thoughts.
Hadi düşüyorum abi.
Evet. Görüldüğü üzere düşün.
I'll warn you now, and it will still make you flinch. Jump scare incoming.
Are you a cop? I am. I'm so scared.
So the logic here is to jaywalk without checking if it's safe, then blame the biker for going, a little bit too fast.
Mate, do you know when you...
Do not stand down there, don't you? Do not stand.
Did you look when you cross the road? Gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
I've got my hands behind your back.
Right.
I'm telling you, do not 30 mile an hour down there. You
So
were
you have to
doing...
get out your car to see that, did you?
More than 30 mile an hour down there, sunshine.
Was that?
I know
Was
you
that?
were. I know you were.
Was that?
Do you want me to prove it?
Go on, prove it. Prove it. Right now, prove
Well,
it.
look at your cam, right? We'll use that.
Oh, I will. Because you know when I get in the house?
I'm a cop.
Are you a cop?
I am.
I'm so scared.
So what I'll do is, right, we'll
Arrest me. Arrest me right now.
What we'll do is, we'll use that to prove how fast you will go.
Go on then.
Right? Give us a copy of it.
Right.
Give us a copy and we'll...
Slap the cuffs on me right now.
Pay attention to the smoke in the mirror and the oil light coming on right before the crash.
What the f***, man, Joe?
The engine's connecting rod blew straight through the front, spraying oil everywhere and covering the rear wheel.
एक कोई चल
This might be the scariest crash you'll ever see. Here we have a biker who got assaulted, but ironically, the one who attacked him wanted to call the cops.
Listen to me.
Come
You
on.
want to end up in jail?
Yeah,
want to
that's
end
what
up
I
in jail?
was doing. 25.
You don't race your bikes like that.
Come on. 25 miles an hour.
No, you're racing the bike down the road.
No, I'm
Yes,
wasn't.
you
I
are.
got on video.
I'm telling you now, I'll call the police. Get off.
Thank you.
I was going like a quick 25 right here.
You guys need to slow it down and keep it quiet. Knock it off.
Don't touch my shit.
Sir,
Nah, he grabbed my helmet. Nah, he assaulted a teenager.
Do something.
Nah,
Call the
you
cops.
assaulted
Call
a
the cops
teenager.
now.
Nah.
Call
Fucking
them now.
you need to call somebody.
Let it go. No, come on. We're not doing this. It's not worth it. Come on.
God damn it.
Knock it off.
4th of July. Let's go. Come on. We're all having a great time. Leave it. Let it go. Let it go. Get back in the car. Let it go. No, we're not doing this.
Be well.
All right, we're not doing this. We're not doing this.
It's gonna end well for me. This put his hands on me.
Just let it go. Let
I
it
know,
go.
but you need to let it go. And
Come on.
you need to behave.
He's got a GoPro.
I did
know
behave.
me.
Don't even. I got all this shit on
You
video.
know
Don't
me.
even. All this stuff you're saying right now is a lie. Don't.
I am. Huh? No, I know. Hey. That's all right. They're on their way. Okay, that's fine. Just get out of here. Go.
Her straight up just grabbed my helmet and just yanked me off the
Just
bike.
let it go. Just let it go.
So you got a witness that he grabbed my first.
Well, I saw it from over at the gas station. I came over. I mean, just let it go. Just let it lie.
Thank you as well. No, this mother. I have it on video. He goes into my lane, almost hits me, and then he comes up to me. He's like, "Slow the down." When I looked at my speedometer, when I was like speeding up, it said 27 miles an hour.
They're loud. It's too.
Yeah, and then this grabbed my GoPro, ripped it off, so I now gotta go find wherever this is, and then.
Holy
I'm all good. I'm just gonna get this out of the road.
This biker came across something insane, a domestic battery situation right in the middle of the road.
Jeez, man, what the hell's going on? Is this yours? You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, cool. I hate that, man. Ask if they're okay and they say they're okay. I don't know what else you can do. Sad, man. Damn. Are you sure you're okay? Bro, you can't be beating on no girl, bro. No, no.
Don't just go. You gonna deal with your problem.
All right.
Here.
Did he do the right thing? Share your thoughts. This biker tried fleeing from the law, and it ended terribly when he crashed.
Yeah, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Hey, you're not
sure?
supposed to pass this way.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
We need to call police.
No, we're good. We're good.
What are you?
No, but I have them.
Here, get my number. Get my number. I'll pay everything.
No, that's not the point. Because right now, you hit my vehicle.
I know,
And
but please, I will pay everything.
No, that's not the point.
I'll give you the money
Are
right
you
now.
okay?
No.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, I need to
Please.
go now.
No, please
No.
don't. Please don't. Please.
No,
Please don't.
I have to
Please,
follow
please,
the law.
please don't. Please.
You are the witness.
Please don't. Please don't. Please.
No.
I'm asking you, God forbid, please don't.
No, my new vehicle.
No way. Please don't. Please.
No vehicles on this trail.
The biker was crossing a bridge, something he definitely shouldn't have been doing, but luckily, there was a Karen nearby to interrupt.
No. There are no vehicles on this trail. Do you see me? You can hit me. There are kids here. What the are you doing?
I'm the only person on this road.
Yeah, no, you could, but there's no bikes on this thing. What are you doing?
I ride here every day. It's an e-bike.
No,
it's fine.
I can't even.
Are you gonna let me pass?
You're gonna hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
This is too big for both of us.
I was going less than 10 miles an hour.
No, it doesn't matter. They're not supposed to be on.
Ma'am, I ride this trail every day.
Hey.
There's no kids out here. Everything's fine.
Call the cops right now.
Call the cops.
Yeah.
Call the police.
I will.
All right.
No.
Am I free to leave?
No.
Am I free to leave?
No. Stay right there. Stay right there. Oh!
You've gotta love Karens though. The world would be too boring without their daily drama.
Yeah. Fuck, man.
What do you think about this one?
Hey!
This road rage went from deliberately hitting a biker to getting hit by karma.
Okay, we're stopping.
We are just a few minutes away from opening up the door to a brand new highway 5 and things out of door.
Okay, stop.
Oh my God!
I'm good.
Yes, she did. I saw. Yeah. Oh.
Who do you think was at fault here? This one is a total madness. A woman hit a pedestrian, an elderly man, and tried to flee the scene. She even hit the biker chasing her, but he wasn't about to let her get away. He gave it everything in pursuing her down. This biker slowed down to let a semi merge in, since the truck was struggling because of a burning car blocking the lane. But the driver of the red truck wasn't happy about it one bit.
Why you angry, bro? It's not me. Yeah, you're blocking traffic. I'm helping semi come in. You not the fucking semi then. Why you mad? Nobody's mad at nobody else, bro. You. It's just you. It's just you.
A driver in distress asked a motorcycle cop for help. Her cat was dying in the car and she needed an urgent escort.
What do you need? What do you need?
My cat is about to die. I need to get to the hospital. Can you
Which hospital?
please?
Which hospital?
I don't know. Give me what I'm supposed to, please.
Let me see where the closest one is. Leave your keys, I'll park it for you. Leave your keys, I'll park it for you, okay?
It was a terrifying crash. Everyone who saw it thought the biker didn't make it, but luckily that wasn't the case.
What's good? What's good? What's good?
Hey, wait. He's just knocked out. Okay, tilt his head up. Tilt his head up. He'll come. He's just knocked out. He's still breathing. He's still breathing. Is he breathing? Yeah, he's breathing. Okay. Just relax. Okay.
What's good?
Wait. Alright. I'll be right back, alright? Okay?
Please, hurry.
I will.
Yo, you think you can get it? Tell him not to.
Hey, hey, stop right there. Make sure nobody jumps. No, dude's like dying on the double. Straight up.
Where up?
Water truck jump.
Huh?
Water truck jump. He's bad.
The shock hit him hard, and he was only knocked out for a brief moment.
Okay. Can you move your legs? Both your legs?
Ride safe out there, bikers, and always wear your gear.
Что, блядь, мудак, что ли? Ёбаный пи***.
The cop made this biker crash intentionally. Was it necessary? You decide.
Ты чё сделал-то, блядь? А? Да вот этот ебанат, блядь. Чё, вообще что? Чё, спокойно нельзя остановить, что ли?
Вы откуда ехали?
Пиздец, ёпта. Ну зачем так-то?
Как так?
Я
Вы
сам,
откуда
блядь,
без
бывший
остановки?
гаишник. Ты, блядь, прикалываешься, что
Откуда
ли?
без остановки лететь?
Какой без остановки-то? Спокойно нельзя остановить, что ли? Пиздец, блядь, мудак, ёпта. Просто пиздец, хуевая вообще, блядь.
This crash was a tad bit embarrassing.
Da 20'a düştüm 20'a. Nasıl insansın?
Lane splitting made this driver completely lose his mind, and eventually his mirror.
Y'all seen that? This wild there. What up? You said, huh? What up? Who the f is you? Who is you? Who the f are you? Jack, nigga. You will? I'm gonna break this mirror, cuz. Broke that nigga mirror. What's wrong with him? Hopped on the sidewalk on that ass. Oh, ass nigga. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, bitch ass dude. Bitch ass dude. What's wrong with him? I try to turn around.
Smacking mirrors is never a good idea, but some people definitely earn it. Everybody makes mistakes, but when you're on two wheels, zoning out can cost you big time.
You okay? I don't see any damage. I'll lift her up. Thank you.
Push it in, get it out of the road. Pull in the clutch.
Pull in the clutch, yeah. Are you okay? Yeah.
Yeah? You sure you're okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
This dumb ass.
This was insane. Driver slammed straight into a pole and somehow blamed the bikers for it.
What the f is this car doing, bro? What the f is going on? Look at him. This fucking dumbass. Dude, what the f? Are you fucking kidding me? You alright, man? What happened? Huh? What happened? Yeah, hold on. Stay there for a second.
Behind me, very close. Y'all was scaring me.
What do you mean?
Scared me. Somebody call 911. Stay down. Somebody down, bro. Chill out, bro. Y'all chill out. Call 911. Oh, you got somebody right there. Hey, buddy. Hey, lay down. Lay back down. Lay down. I can't. Hey, we crash up.
Here, hey,
for a minute, bro. Gotta get my children, man. Yeah, well, you ain't doing it right now, bro. What's the number of your house?
As you heard, he claimed the bikers were too close, and that made him panic. Does that make any sense to you?
Hey, let's get away from the car.
Yeah, sit him on the curb, see if he can stand. Are you hurt? Are you injured? Alright, well, okay, you talk about that later. Are you hurt right now, though?
Yeah, I'm hurt because I'm already disabled. I have a torn...
Okay.
A torn meniscus.
I'll tell you what, if you see a flame, then you might get away from the car.
Is there a flame?
No, just leave him alone, dude. He said it's our fault. Dude, yeah, he straight up says it's our fault, bro.
It's like, no, I think we got, oh wait, no, we got 5. Hey, we were all being nice and respectful, dude.
Yeah, nobody even, we could have passed him if that was the case, bro.
Hey, he's blaming us on that.
No, I know, so it's okay. Dude, no, we're good. Yeah, so did I. Yeah, I ain't worried about it.
We were talking about that too.
Well, yeah, he was trying to pass on the right. We got, yeah, he's no. Don't, hey, take his keys. I don't know if he's good to drive.
Come on, grab your keys and get out, sir.
Oh, dude, wow, man. Oh yeah, that's all right. It's okay. This pole makes me a little nervous, though.
What?
That's why we moved across the street, dude, because it's pole.
Dangerous.
Yeah, I know. Us standing here is probably dangerous. Look at the pole. It's like, you know, scare him or not, dude. That doesn't mean you don't brake and take a corner and hit a pole, bro. Yeah, something's definitely wrong. Because he wanted to get in the car and start it. He's like, I got to get home to my kids.
Cops arrived shortly after to investigate, since the driver kept insisting it was the biker's fault.
We pulled over to help him to, you know, see if he was okay, and then he started saying we scared him. So that's pretty much it.
All right, yeah, they just said it was him versus all you guys. I'm like,
yeah, well, he was in the truck in front of him, in front of this guy, and he was trying to pass him on the right and the left.
He didn't even brake before the turn. He just...
This biker was lane filtering, and it ended horribly. Mistakes happen, accidents happen, but physically attacking someone because they made a mistake, well, that shouldn't happen.
Nasıl geliyor? Nasıl geliyor? Nasıl geliyor lan sen? Ne diyorsun? Nasıl takip ediyorsun sen bunu? Git herif.
Bunu alın elimden.
Nasıl aldın lan? Polis çağır.
Çağır polisi lan.
Çağır.
Sen kime el kaldırıyorsun?
Çağır.
Kime el kaldırıyorsun?
Tekin!
Bismillah, carajo! Bismillah! Yo! What the f are you doing, bro? What the f are you doing? You're supposed to stop and wait for the cars coming, bro! What the f, man? Nah!
The biker managed to minimize the damage to both himself and his bike, but he was definitely very angry.
Come on, man! Hold up! Oh.
Please share your thoughts below. I read every single comment.
Ik heb het niet gezien, dus sorry.
Defensive riding saved this biker. And believe it or not, the driver said he didn't see him.
Weet je wat de fuck jij zojuist flikt?
Nee, ik heb het niet gezien, dus ik weet het niet.
Nee, dat weet ik. Daar heb je die voor.
Ja.
Ik reed op de binnenbaan.
Wat blieft?
Ik reed op de binnenbaan.
Oké, ja. Kan je ook normaal doen? Ik heb het niet gezien, dus sorry. Dus...
Ik reed op de binnenbaan. Normaal doen, je hebt één baantje.
Ja.
Het is niet zo moeilijk.
Nee, dat begrijp ik.
Klapkut.
Sometimes it's checkmate, and there's nothing you can do.
You.
Putting on your blinker doesn't mean it's safe to change lanes. P.S. Is the driver fully responsible for this crash?
See, you don't put attention? Huh? No. I have my video.
The way you were driving. Sir, I saw you before you even hit him. Sir. You almost hit me too. Sir, you're driving like 100 miles per hour. Did you see when I saw you? I saw you. All right, did you see even before you hit him? Sir, did he all right. He just went over. Sir.
Yeah, I saw. I have a video. Yeah, cool.
Look, I see when you were going inside freeway.
Hey, I was in my lane.
No, okay. That's what I'm saying. He's driving recklessly, regardless. These cars have my...
You.
All this biker wanted to do was to get gas, but he didn't notice another driver waiting for the same exact pump. And that's not the problem. The problem is how the driver reacted, like he was about to ram the biker.
Seriously? You.
What's up?
I've been waiting there for 10 minutes.
Well, I didn't know. I'm gonna speed in like you're gonna hit me, ass idiot. Moron, dude. Yeah, shake your head, asshole. Yeah, well, smile, dude, smile. You're on camera.
Okay, let it go.
What? Bro, you split in like you were gonna hit me. You think that's cool?
Let you know I've been
Oh, you're letting me know by and accelerating towards me. That's really cool, dude. Really cool.
He got a lot closer than I did. Aren't you going to yell at him?
He's not accelerating at me, you cock. Shut the up. Get your face smashed in. Dude, just back the up. I did not deal with this shit. I don't need to deal with this shit this morning, dude. Don't accelerate.
To you. I didn't mean to.
Dude, that's fine. Take it off. Take it somewhere else.
This one is very emotional. What started as a fun dirt bike ride through the woods ended with a biker accidentally running over a deer.
What the f***? What the f***? Ça va, Jani? Je descends, non? T'as mal où? Partout. Ouais. Ah. En tout cas, tu l'as tué. Elle a volé, mon frère. Ah, je sens plus mes genoux, frère. Sérieux? Tu penses que c'est cassé ou pas? Non, 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 c'est des bleus.
They found the deer soon after, but sadly it didn't make it, passing away just a few minutes later off camera.
Ah, il est là, Dorian. Oh là là. Repose-toi un peu. Attends ta maman.
Unfortunately, these things happen more often than we think. Animals can run in front of any vehicle, and sometimes there's just no time to avoid it. Speed wobbles, also known as death wobbles, are almost a guaranteed crash. This biker was lucky enough to save it, or maybe it was pure skill. What do you think? And yet again, another speed wobble, but this time the biker wasn't as lucky.
Yeah, it's this one.
Thieves attack. How often do you see 3 adults trying to steal a teenager's bike?
Is this the same bike?
Sorry?
Is this the same bike?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where'd you get this?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Yep. Yep. Hey, what is the bike?
Did I see?
No.
Pardon?
What the hell? Hey. Les dije.
Situational awareness probably saved this biker's life. This biker got smashed into out of nowhere.
Yeah, man. What the f? Dude. That hurt my foot. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good, thanks. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Why don't you move your car over here?
I'm sure you're second that, man, but still keep your wits about yourself. There's traffic coming in and not everyone's going to pay attention.
Yeah, I think I'm good. Fucking Christ. Oh, is she in neutral? No. Nah, we're good. Holy shit, man. That is crazy that just happened. I feel it in my boot. Oh, yep.
I'm sorry as hell. I was looking that way. The car was coming into the intersection.
Yeah. You have like your insurance and stuff? Christ. Oh, dude, I'm glad I had my boots on. Holy shit.
Fortunately, he walked away unharmed, but his bike took a pretty nasty hit. Never zone out while riding, ever.
No, I'm fine. Yeah, you might not.
Yeah. No, it was a slow fall.
You're gonna shake it.
No, I'm alright, honestly, I'm fine.
No,
honestly.
you'll have to get checked.
No, honestly, I'm alright. It's just a really slow fall. Don't worry about it. Honestly.
I'm just asking.
Out of nowhere, a random guy charged these bikers, trying to provoke a reaction.
So with Toto, like, I don't know, like, how did I come up?
Yo, chill.
Bro, I don't know. Yeah. Like, how y'all coming?
Jim, move.
No. No. I'm just asking. No. I'm not.
Let's just go right away, Jim, right away. This guy.
Yeah, look, there's that stuff.
Yeah, run. Yeah, you're slow, bro, you're slow.
This is exactly why you should always keep a safe distance. This driver tailgated, then passed the biker dangerously close, nearly hitting him, all because the biker pulled a wheelie.
What is your problem?
Follow me, you motherfucker.
I don't give a f. You tried to hit me. You tried me too. Me too. You tried to f***ing hit me, and you beeped at me, and you tried to f***ing brake check me, didn't you? Oh shit! It's all on camera. You're a
On camera.
You're a I don't give a
f. You're going to
You're a That's why you want to brake check people and you want to do all that. You're a and you're a piece of. You're real tough in the truck, huh? Real tough in the... You hit me, I got a camera. Oh my God, I got a camera. If you hit me, oh my God, I got a camera. You're a...
When a stunting legend meets a streaming legend.
Rub that thing.
This biker finished his project bike, and just a few minutes later, he crashed.
You need to call somebody?
Can you just give me my bag?
Sadly, it wasn't about the bike, but what's even worse, he ended up fracturing his arm.
You need your phone?
Yeah, it's in here.
You want me to get it for you?
I can get it. Can you pull my glove off?
You ready?
Yep. This arm's fine. I landed on this shoulder. No, I don't want to get up. Can you just pull the glove off?
I can't hear you.
Can you just pull this glove off?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think I just broke my shoulder, but everything else is good.
You live in the neighborhood?
Yeah, I just live right there. That sucks, man. I was going like 20 right here on this wet and so did it.
You need help, dude?
No, everything's fine. I think the shoulder's probably broke, but everything else is fine. Like I said, I was going like 20, so.
Okay. I hate to... I'm going to pick my kids
you're
up
good,
from
man.
school.
Yeah, thanks for stopping.
Okay.
My wife's right there. It'll be fine.
Okay. You need help putting the bike up, or...?
If you want to try, I'm not going to try. Like I said, I think the shoulder's broken, but...
Okay. She's probably not going to be able to do it, right?
You're good, man. I'm just worried about you.
Stink around here, son.
Sorry, what?
You wear that? You're causing a pretty nasty stink around here. You wear that?
Huh?
You're causing a pretty nasty stink around here. You wear that?
Get hands off the bike.
Oh, get the hands off the bike, motherfucker. You hear me?
Yo.
No, motherfucker. You causing a out here. I'm done with you.
Yo, stop, dude.
No,
stop, dude. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I'm good. yeah, it's good. Crazy, right? Yeah. Oh man, that's insane. Oh, I'm good. Bike's good. I'm good. Hey, you was getting it though. I seen you. Yeah, I'm good, man.
Oh man.
Thank you, brother.
Man, I was scared you were dead.
Yeah.
I was on the brakes so goddamn hard. I was like, oh.
It's all good, man. I was driving. Thank you, bro. I was driving reckless too, so it ain't all his fault. Yeah, brother. Take care, man. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Car in front suddenly braked, catching this biker off guard and causing a hard crash. It was his first serious accident and a major lesson learned. Props to the kid for trying to help out.
So,
yeah. Like you got out here.
No, he's not trapped. His motorcycle, we picked.
A driver was nearly hitting multiple cars and pulling some reckless maneuvers on the road. The biker had enough and decided to confront him.
Why are you driving like a bro?
I'm driving like what?
Like a You almost hit that oak. Almost. You're drunk, eh? I can see you drunk, bro. Drive like a sane person. When you're wetty, you don't know what's flushing. Almost. Look at you, bro. Stupid.
Talk about being a few inches away from losing your life. That was way too close. Here we have a biker who went down on the freeway, but can this even be called a crash?
That's right. Oh. Whoa. I'm gonna go. Oh. Well, that was f***ing sick.
How are you?
Fine. Yep.
Honestly, it looked more like a movie stunt than a real accident.
The show keeps going. Yep.
I mean, I didn't even slam on the brakes.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Oh.
I high slided.
Yeah, but like how?
I hit the brakes. I just...
A driver completely failed to see the biker and cut him off, making it unavoidable.
You motherfucker! What the f***?
I'm sorry, I did not see
Oh my god.
you. Okay?
You good, John Michael? Yeah.
Oh,
man, come on.
I know, I'm sorry.
I could have died.
I know. Oh my god.
Can I get your insurance, please?
Yes.
Oh my god.
How much do you think that was?
Dude, I think I... no, I need insurance, I'm sorry. Really? Yeah, I feel my leg, dude. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I mean, I'm f***ed. I'm gonna be in a cast. I just...
Wait, what happened? She just... No, I know, but you broke.
Yeah,
Do you think his legs broke?
I think my legs...
You want a Red Bull?
No.
I have an extra.
Thank you though, but I'm good.
This lady driver went berserk at these bikers, intentionally hitting one of them twice.
Get your shit out.
Dude, you stopped in front of me, a**hole.
You're 2 feet. You're following too close. I need your insurance.
Too close.
I need your insurance.
You got it.
Síguela. CJU 4084. The entire interaction, you hit me. I'm gonna get your insurance. You hit my insurance. You hit my bike. Let's do something about it.
So it shows how fast you were going and how you cut in front of me.
Oh, not at all. It's because you were blocking us. This is still swerving. She almost just hit me. You're on camera.
Don't worry though, cops later showed up and she was arrested.
There's no third lane here. And the police are in front of you. And you can't
Listen, read the highway code.
I've got a highway code.
Yeah, read it then, you know that.
Police were right there and did absolutely nothing. She must have been fuming behind that wheel.
Motherfucker! I got it on GoPro, I'm okay. I'm gonna go stop him.
A BMW driver kept doing hard takeoffs from red lights until his car caught fire.
Relax! Relax! You sure? Еще здесь нет, спереди. Свет, еще внутри, внизу горит.
Quick thinking saved lives, but the car, it was probably doomed, because it took them a good bit to fully extinguish the flames.
Огнетушитель есть, огнетушитель.
Пожарный.
Давай, ебаши. Ниже надо, ниже. С другой стороны.
As this biker came out of a turn, he target fixated and slammed into an oncoming vehicle.
I'm good.
Put your legs out. Your legs down.
I'm good. No, I'm good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm good.
Call 911?
Yeah, call 911.
Yeah.
Call. Can you feel this?
No, you're good.
Are you bleeding anywhere? You
no,
sure?
I'm good. Don't call 911.
You don't?
Don't call 911.
Don't call him.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Bro, I fucking...
I gotta make sure no cars are coming around.
Yeah, it popped my tire though, I'm stuck.
At this point, the biker just wanted to move on, but the driver wouldn't quit. He kept poking, pushing and trying to escalate.
HLX 1181.
My bad. What?
So bad. Real tough guy.
I was trying to get out of the way of some other you dipshit. Shut the f up and go. Go before I call the cops, dip. Go. Just stay there. Yeah, he was just pissed off because I guess I cut him off. I was trying to get out of the way of some other idiot that was driving stupid. Huh? Yeah. So I went around him. I didn't brake check him or anything. And then he's like, he was touching my back tire. Being a f***ing idiot. I was like, dude, just wait there. I'll call the cops. And then he didn't want to say. He was being stupid. And then, did you see him follow me in here? Stupid. It's alright.
Careful.
Appreciate it, man.
Some crashes I must blur, just like this one. Biker went up and over a car, had a rough landing, but thankfully walked away.
I have possession of his camera that was riding his bike. It's pouring fuel on the exhaust. Okay, all right, thank you.
If your hand's hurting a whole bunch, try not to move it too much.
Yeah, you might want to sit down.
Did you know that red lights don't apply to taxi drivers?
You f***ing f*** off. You up? You up? You jumped the f***ing light, you cage! F***ing oh, car!
What I said at the beginning was obviously a joke. Respect the rules and obey the laws.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Thanks to these amazing channel members. YouTube picked this episode just for you. Check it out.